Welcome to today's video where we dive into an exciting opportunity with IBM's Hardware Engineer Internship. Whether you're passionate about VLSI design, Python scripting, or emerging technologies, this internship could be your gateway to the future of hardware innovation. At IBM, innovation isn't just a concept, it's a way of life. The internship promises hands-on experience with cutting-edge tools like Python and Perl, essential for tackling real-world challenges alongside seasoned engineers. Located at the heart of IBM's India Systems Development Lab, interns will join the server memory development team. This team is renowned for its cutting-edge research and development in the field of server memory technologies. Interns will have the unique opportunity to work alongside some of the brightest minds in the industry, gaining hands-on experience and invaluable insights. Here, they'll delve into the intricacies of server memory subsystem architecture, working with technologies like DDR4, DDR5, DRAM-DIMM, MRAM, SSD flash, and storage class memory. They will be involved in various stages of development from initial design and testing to final implementation and optimization. This experience will not only enhance their technical skills but also provide a deep understanding of the challenges and innovations in server memory systems. To excel in this role, a solid foundation in digital electronics, computer architecture, and the VLSI design cycle is essential. This includes understanding the principles of how digital systems operate and how they are designed and tested. Proficiency in programming and scripting languages like Python and Perl will set you apart in this competitive field. Additionally, familiarity with software tools used in VLSI design, such as CAD tools, and a good grasp of hardware description languages like VHDL or Verilog will further enhance your capabilities and make you a valuable asset to any team. Strong communication and problem-solving skills are key, as interns collaborate globally to innovate and solve complex challenges in the realm of server memory technology. IBM isn't just about creating technology, it's about pushing the boundaries of innovation and making a significant impact on the world. From healthcare to finance, and from education to environmental sustainability, IBM's solutions are designed to address the most pressing challenges of our time. It's about using that technology to shape a better world. With a focus on open hybrid cloud and artificial intelligence strategies, IBM is at the forefront of the digital transformation. By empowering its team to lead in this new era of technological advancement, IBM ensures that innovation is not just a goal, but a continuous journey towards a smarter, more connected future. Ready to take the next step in your career with IBM's Hardware Engineer Internship? Click the link in the description below to apply now and be a part of shaping the future of technology. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on exciting career opportunities and tech insights from IBM. See you next time.